my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a spinner that I got from Jessica Winterstrom from Winterstrom Art. I believe her website is winterstrom-art.com. And I'm working on a 16-inch round piece of acrylic. It's a very hard, shiny surface, and I think it's going to be perfect for the use that I'm going to put on. I'm going to use some resin over top of it when I'm done, and turn this into a Lazy Susan. That is the idea. And today I'm using some leftover paints. I have some Amsterdam greenish blue. I have a little bit of leftover Folk Art Treasure Gold blue quartz. I have Amsterdam pale gold, and I have some quinacridone nickel azo gold from Golden. And in case I need it, I also have some Prussian blue from Amsterdam. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. This is a very similar color palette to the last two paintings that I've done. I still have leftovers. And I have included this Van Dyke brown, but I don't think I'm going to use it in this pour. I have forgotten in the last videos, I think, to show you my consistency. So this is a thin consistency. It leaves the tiniest little mound and then it melts away into itself. I call it a disappearing mound. So not quite a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the thickest and 1 being the thinnest. And then I also have some pearl mix. This is Artist Loft Soft Body White and DecoArt Satin Enamels. It gave me some great pearls in my last 2, and I'm going to hope for that again. I have some Chroma Acryl White for my base coat, mixed to the same consistency. Very, very thin. Leaves a small little mound. And I'm going to do a strainer pour today. So I'm going to put my strainer in the center. After I put down my base coat, I'm going to put my strainer in the center. I'm going to layer a cup, a dirty cup here, and then I'm going to pour it out through the strainer, and I will probably spin it just a little bit as I'm doing it. So let's go ahead and layer our cup first. Easier to do when I don't have a wet surface to work on. So I think I'm going to start with this greenish blue, put a healthy amount, and maybe reserve a little bit to add again later. And right in that, I'm going to put about half of this pearl mix that I've got. Save a little bit of that also. And let's go with the Amsterdam pale gold. I'm pouring from up high. I want these paints to churn and interact with each other. And then let's go in with some of the quinacridone nickel azo gold. And we'll go back to our greenish blue. I'm already getting some beautiful effects. And oh, I haven't put the blue quartz in yet. Let's pour that from up high and really get that down in there. I am going to put a little bit of this Prussian blue. It's a deeper blue than the greenish blue. And I'm going to top it off with more of the white and really pour from up high. Okay, this is going to be fun. Pouring from up high causes air bubbles to end up in the paint. Not a big deal, but let's go ahead and put down our base coat. I'm going to have to pop lots of bubbles in this because I just mixed it up. Let's spin that out. I don't need to go all the way to the edge, I don't think, but I'm going to anyway. I have enough. There we go. Nice even base coat. Let's pop those air bubbles. There was some water on the bottom of my thing there. I don't want that to interact with anything. Okay, so now we center our dish strainer. Not too bad. Maybe a little bit over here. Worse. That'll work. Okay. Now we're just going to pour fairly slowly in the center I'm expecting this to be very soft. It's already churning together inside the cup, and then it's going to churn as I pour it and as it comes out. So it's going to be a very soft painting, I'm thinking.
Now I haven't been sure with this. It's supposed to be a bliss, being alone, being free in every way. Didn't know would I like the feel of it, putting out what you had lit. But let me tell you, these things don't hurt a bit. Cause you see, I was all wrapped up in everything, but now that I'm out, I got wind under my wings. So tell me that you need me, I wouldn't bother. If you're with another man, I don't even care. Tell me that you're sorry, my cold shoulder. It's yours since we're older. See, you got what you asked. I got wind, I got wind under my wings. I got wind, I got wind under my wings. Now what was it you used to say? How you needed a solid way to be yourself. Now you're free in every way, and you see, I was all wrapped up in everything, but now that I'm out, I got wind under my wings. So tell me that you need me, I wouldn't bother. If you're with another man, I don't even care. Tell me that you're sorry, my cold shoulder. It's yours since we're older. See, you got what you asked. I got wind, I got wind under my wings. I got wind, I got wind under my wings. I got wind, I got wind, I got wind under my wings. I got wind, I got wind under my wings. So tell me that you need me, I won't bother. If you're with another man, I don't even care. Tell me that you're sorry, tell me that you're sorry, tell me that you're sorry. See, you got what you care. I got wind, I got wind, I got wind under my wings. I got wind, I got wind under my wings.
All right, I don't think this is going to develop anymore, but it's beautiful. Turning the canvas as you pour gives you that kind of spiral effect, that Nautilus pour that I love. And I really am happy with this. The quinacridone nickel azo gold gave me green, which is not surprising at all. I do have some true hints of it here in the center, which I'm very happy about. I did a double dip with the balloon to try and get that ring that the strainer left when I pulled it up. Tried to integrate that a bit. I actually really like that wispy part right there. It looks like, I don't know, like somebody's hair blowing in the wind. But because of these colors, it's very nautical, especially with the cells all through it, especially in the blues. So it kind of also looks like a sea anemone. I think that's super cool. But the whole structure looks like a jellyfish. Like viewed from the top, I think that's super cool. I like this a lot. Okay, so let's see how she dries. And here is the dry result. She dried perfectly. I love this Nautilus spiral that's happening in this one. I'm really happy with the cloudy effects we got here and all the little pearl cells coming up around here. Really super nice. I still love that wispiness of that coming out there. I think that's super cute. Maybe turn it this way, even enhance it even more. That's super, I love that. And everything dried very nice. So a couple of layers of resin and I'll be able to turn this into a Lazy Susan turntable. Look at the layering of that. Isn't that beautiful? If I can get my camera to focus on it. Oh, so pretty, all that transparency happening there. Yep, I hope you like this too. Thank you very much for watching. And you know, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.